Okay, Lesson 1, Introduction. Before you begin, please make sure you understand the key words for this lesson. Hi and welcome to the Functional Grammar course. In this course, you will learn the basic ideas of functional grammar, which will help you to improve your English communication. Now, whether you're aiming for a better score on a test, such as IELTS or TOEFL, or whether you just want to improve your English for work or daily life, this course is for you. Who am I? My name is Martin Tilney, and I'm a certified grammar nerd. I have worked in the field of English education for over 10 years. I have taught English language in many places, including universities in Australia and South Korea. I have also worked as a teacher trainer, and I am currently completing a PhD in linguistics. So why functional grammar? Well, most people learn grammar as a set of rules to remember. But the problem is that there are many exceptions to these rules, and the examples are often out of context. This view of grammar does not help you to improve your communication very well. From a functional view, grammar is a system of choices for making meaning. When you use language, you make choices from the system. Some choices are very common and other choices are rare, but all choices are meaningful in the right context. Let me give you an example. If I were talking at a party, it would be unusual to say, "I'm not liking cloudy weather." Because in this context, like expresses my general preference. General preferences are not connected to a certain time, so we should choose the timeless present tense. I don't like cloudy weather. However, imagine that I've planned a picnic lunch, and at 11 a.m. I am looking at the dark clouds through the window. In this context, I should say, "I'm not liking this cloudy weather." It means cloudy weather is not my preference at this particular moment. Now, many people also think that grammar is separate from other skills, such as speaking, writing, listening, and reading. But this is not true. All communication is based on texts, and texts are made using grammar. Texts can be written or spoken. So what is communication? Communication is expressing and sharing meaning through texts. In order to communicate effectively, we must understand the three higher functions of language. The experiential function is how we represent things in the world. The interpersonal function is how we exchange meanings between people. The textual function is how we put words and sentences together to make texts. So what is functional grammar? Functional grammar is a grammar that acknowledges the three higher functions of language. Grammar is seen as a system of choices rather than a set of rules. And these choices depend on the context. When you start to see language in this way, you will improve your ability to use the right language for the right purpose. I'm so excited to present this course to you. Are you ready to learn some functional grammar? Okay, let's begin.